Hi, this is Mohammed Salman Khalid. Welcome you to my YouTube channel C4 Mania. N8n is a powerful workflow automation tool. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Calendar event using N8n. We'll cover different steps: setting up N8n nodes, integrating Google Calendar, enabling APIs on Google Cloud, and adding credentials in N8n. I am sure you already set up the N8n, and let's add the chat input node, AI agent node. In this case, we can use the OpenAI chat model. Let's add this before start integrating the Google Calendar. Now search the Google Calendar tool node, then click on New Credential and follow the steps as shown in the video. The steps are very simple and don't require detailed explanation. Now let's connect to Google Calendar, and for that we require client ID and client secret. Go to Google Console and create new project. Now enable the API from the APIs and Services option. Select Google Calendar API. Enable the API. This is how the Google Calendar API interface looks. Since Google updates its UI often, your screen might look a bit different, but the steps remain the same. There are multiple options here, but we need to configure OAuth. Choose either option, Configure Consent Screen, or the Create Credentials menu to proceed with setting up the OAuth client ID. Now enter the required details and valid email address. Choose the option External. Now click Create OAuth Client. Enter required details. Authorized redirect URLs can be copied from the N8n screen. Copy the OAuth redirect URL. Copy the client ID and client secret. Go the N8n and enter these values. Now click Sign in with Google and log in with your specified email that you added via API Enable process on Google Cloud. You might see an Access Blocked error. This happens because the test user hasn't been added in Google Cloud. To fix it, go back to Google Cloud, click on the Audience tab, and under the Test User section, add the email address you'll use for testing. Now try again. Connection successful. Now close the window and you are good to go. Now, in the Google Calendar event node, let's say we want to schedule a meeting with someone at a specified time. Follow the steps shown in the video. Set the start and end time. We'll use an expression in N8n. For now, just use the provided expression. I'll explain it later. You can name the variables anything like start_time and end_time. These will be used later in prompts or other tools. Now from the Add field option, select Summary and Description and use the expression. One thing is remaining, that is, select calendar from list. Now press the plus button and select the Google Calendar tool again. This time we need to get the available time slots from calendar. Double-click the AI agent. Let's add the prompt and assign role to LLM agent and provide information about the calendar tools. Now let's test what we have built so far. Let's ask the query. Please closely look at the flow execution. The particular N8n node will get executed. You can see visually that processing circle option on the nodes. Please see the output window for the response. Also, you can see the list of nodes execution, and by clicking them you will see the output of each node. Now let's modify the prompt. We can add expression, for example, the today's date. Now let's give proper names to the nodes. Go to Google Calendar nodes and assign readable names. In the chat window, I asked to schedule a meeting for a specific date and time. The event was successfully created. Now, let's explore the output of each node. This will help us understand and debug the data returned at each step. In the output, you'll see an HTML link. That's the Google Calendar event link. Copy and open it in a browser to view the event. We can also structure the prompt to include a response format that clearly returns the calendar URL. You can play around with that. I have asked, is there any busy schedule? It will return that. Also, you can schedule meeting at other time. Here you can see the final result. That's all for the Google Calendar tool nodes explanation. Hope this helped you understand the flow. See you in the next tutorial.